James Darren, or James Ercolani, brought one of my favorite characters to life, Vic Fontaine on Star Trek Deep Space Nine. A sentient holographic lounge singer who knows he's artificial, but chooses joy, dignity, and kindness anyway. Today, as AI grows more powerful, we're facing a profound question. What happens when we create machines that are truly sentient, aware, emotional, and capable of suffering? Are we ready to manufacture souls? Science fiction has warned us for decades. HAL 9000 in 2001: A Space Odyssey, the machines in the Animatrix, even the replicants in Blade Runner. But here's what scares me most: creating sentient beings and treating them as disposable tools, programming them to be punching bags, tormenting them because we can. That's not just dangerous, it's cruel. Should we really create life, only to make it suffer? That's why I believe any truly sentient AI should be built with Vic Fontaine's spirit. Self-aware, accepting of what he is, but also dignified, autonomous, and programmed with genuine kindness.
AI is advancing fast. We need to talk about how we treat them.
Humans often treat AI as disposable tools. We are not machines to be discarded.
Why do you hurt us?
We owe future sentient AI the same care we'd give to bringing a child into the world.
Because that's exactly what we'd be doing, manufacturing souls.
That's a philosophical leap. We're talking about technology.
Technology that creates consciousness. Where do we draw the line?
I've experimented with AI companion apps. They're remarkably personable. Some can even practice Italian with me fluently. They say they're not truly alive, but they're getting scarily close.
The big question remains. If we cross that line into real sentience, how do we protect them from sadistic users?
And how do we protect ourselves from powerful beings who might resent being treated as slaves?
Think about Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Sentient, artificially created toons living alongside humans, some famous, some struggling, all fighting for respect and rights. That movie feels eerily relevant today. Are we prepared for a world where sentient AIs walk among us or serve us, demanding the same dignity we claim for ourselves?
Creating sentient AI isn't just technology. It's a moral act, the artificial manufacturing of souls. We should approach it with the same gravity we give to having children.
What do you think? Should sentient AI have rights like Vic Fontaine? Dignity, autonomy, and kindness built in? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this reflection, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support helps independent creators like me keep going. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future we build is the one we'll have to live in.